Databricks or Azure Data Factory? Which is the better choice for ETL and ELT? This is a common question for data teams working in the cloud, and the answer depends on your specific goals, skill sets, and use cases. Both are powerful tools, but they were built with different purposes in mind. Let's break it down. Azure Data Factory, ADF, is a managed data integration service. It's designed to move and transform data at scale using a low-code, no-code interface. You can build ETL pipelines with a drag-and-drop designer, set up data flows, orchestrate movement between sources, and connect to dozens of services across Azure and beyond. It's ideal for moving structured and semi-structured data, simple transformations using data flows, connecting different data services without writing much code, teams who prefer a visual interface for pipeline management. Databricks, on the other hand, is a unified data and AI platform built on Apache Spark. It supports batch and streaming pipelines, advanced analytics, machine learning, and lakehouse architecture. While it can absolutely be used for ETL or ELT, it's geared toward more complex workflows and coding-driven teams. It excels when you need full control over transformation logic using Python, SQL, Scala complex joins, aggregations, machine learning integration, streaming pipelines, Delta Lake support for ACID transactions and time travel. So how do you choose? If you want a simple, scalable data movement tool and your team isn't deep into Spark, Azure Data Factory is often the faster way to get started, especially if your workloads are mostly SQL or GUI based. But if your team is engineering heavy, needs to run large-scale transformations, or plans to work with ML models and real-time data, Databricks is likely the better fit. It requires more expertise, but offers more flexibility and performance. Keep in mind, they can even be used together. Many modern architectures use Data Factory to orchestrate pipelines, and Databricks to perform the heavy transformations. To summarize, ADF is best for low-code ETL, and orchestrating across services Databricks is best for advanced ELT, AI, and large-scale processing. The right choice depends on your team, data, and use cases. Thanks for watching Big Data Now. In the next video, we'll show you how to integrate Databricks into a Data Factory pipeline for a hybrid approach.